Hello, welcome back to the Stay Fitness channel. If you're new to this channel, my name is Daniela. I'm a fitness, nutrition and life coach specialized in obesity and diabetes management. So today is a bit of a nostalgic recipe. It's something that we used to have all the time at parties, at like birthday parties. It's something that I never ate as a kid because I didn't like Parma ham, because kids don't like Parma ham usually, do they? But yeah, as a kid we always had this like bread sticks wrapped in Parma ham, and I kind of had the idea that like it would be nice to try and recreate it in a protein sparing idea. Because it's just like, you know, spring, summer is coming up, maybe you have some parties, have like an aperitif, you have like some fizzy drinks, and this goes so well with it. This is maybe not the final recipe because maybe I need to try and look for a mold to make the actual more shape like bread like sticks shape, but I think like it's good enough to show you guys, but you let me know in the comments below if it's not good enough. But yeah, it's basically, so I just took I made a batch of protein sparing bread. Here is like 1.5 times the recipe because I made also the hot dog buns, I made some pizza rolls, and I made some buns. So then I tried on a baking tray with baking paper to make the thinnest and longest strip of like egg white as possible, best of my abilities. Then I baked them until they were like cooked enough, and then I sprinkled them with Parmesan cheese and like mozzarella cheese, and this will give a great texture. And then once they were cooked, I just wrapped them up with some Parma ham and just laid out some other charcuterie, which I think they look so nice. And it's something that you can pick up with your hands. So as I say, if you're having a party or you just want to have like a nice aperitif, yeah, you can wrap anything around them or eat them just as they are. You can warm them up, even just at room temperature, they're not that bad. And I think this was like just something to spark a little bit of imagination, a bit of idea of what you can do with egg white bread, how you can integrate it in like your social life if you want to please other people. Or if you're in an environment when everyone else is eating something else, you have something for yourself that is still nice, and it can still be like really tasty. Of course, you can go crazy with your Italian seasoning. This is the perfect opportunity, or other spices that you like. And yeah, let me know in the comments below what you think about this recipe, what would you do with it, if it sparked a little bit of an idea. Yeah, consider also checking out the rest of my YouTube channel where I share a lot of recipes, a lot of content about metabolic health, pre-diabetes, insulin resistance, carnivore diet, all that. Also consider sharing this video with your friends and family, giving it a big like, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.